welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, a little bit about Binance, and the overall crypto market. Today, we are over 9,020 subscribers. Guys, at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, so subscribe right now. We're getting close. It's pretty exciting. But without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now we are trading at $27,000 Bitcoin. We are coming down. I mean, the past couple days has just been a minimal consolidation of basically around the $27,000 price target. But all in all, Bitcoin dominance is coming up a little bit more here. Yesterday it was in the low 46s, which is pretty incredible to see. We are starting to see some of the liquidity from the alts come back into Bitcoin, which is minimal, but I would like to see this grow as we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving. But guys, the main purpose of this video is, can Crypto.com be the next Binance? Because, I saw the chart of Binance and I thought something was very, very intriguing. Guys, I can't lie. When I see this chart, this Binance chart, this is incredibly strong. Incredibly strong. I can't believe how well it has performed throughout this bear market. It's very, very incredible. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's the number one exchange in the entire world. This is kind of the coin that got away from me. I had the chance to buy in it about between 18 cents and a dollar. It was pretty incredible. But I missed that chance, and that's why I started diving deeper and deeper into Crowcoin. When I found out about Crowcoin back in the MCO days before they altered their coin to Crowcoin. And I want to tell you the similarities and also the differences I see with Crowcoin and how I think that Crowcoin could potentially become something similar to Binance. I will say that Binance does have first movers advantage, and they have really seized that position on the overall crypto industry, but I do think that there is room for competition. I don't want to see a singular exchange rule the entire space, and I do think that there are other opportunities out there, and I think Crowcoin is in a close second place in my opinion. So let's take a look at Crowcoin, because right now Crowcoin, when you zoom out, I mean, we have not had a successful when we're talking strictly price action, we have not had a successful bear market compared to Binance. Binance is just ridiculously strong. Maybe it's propped up, hard to say, but I will say that it is pretty incredible how well it has been positioned here over the past couple years here in the bear market. Pretty incredible, guys. Sure, we did peak out about $700. We're about halfway down, about a 50% drawdown. I mean, on Crowcoin, we had let's measure this out. I mean, from a dollar to where we are right now, we're talking about a 93% drawdown, guys. Pretty incredible. Pretty incredible, guys. But I do want to say, I do want to make a case for how I think that Crowcoin is a strong competitor with Binance, and how I think that it could really seize this opportunity throughout this bear market, because, guys, it has survived an incredible amount of FUD. An incredible amount of FUD. Talk about the FTX collapse right here. Guys, if we survived the FTX collapse, there is no reason why, in my opinion, we don't come back up and have a strong bull market rally with Crowcoin. And there's many, many other cases for me to argue about why Crowcoin has the potential of becoming in a strong second place to Binance. And really, guys, they have more licenses than any other crypto exchange in the world. They have more licenses than Binance. They appease regulators more than Binance. That is going to play a very, very key role in the future here as regulation gets let out. And it may take a few years for this regulation to fully come out, but I do believe that Crowcoin is hanging out with the right people, paying the right people. Unfortunately, that's the way it is, and really starting to lobby in the appropriate way to really position themselves to be a strong competitor, not only with these other exchanges, but with Binance. I really believe that Crowcoin could be the second place spot. Maybe if something catastrophic happened with Binance, it could come in the first place, but I don't want to see that happen. I'm a Crowcoin holder, but I don't want to see Binance collapse. If Binance were to collapse, it would be very, very significant to the entire crypto industry. It would not be good. It would not be good, guys. But I just want to say, if you've been in Crowcoin, be patient, guys. Be patient. Sure, our chart doesn't look like Binance, where we've had only a 50% drawdown, but Crowcoin's had about a 93, 94% drawdown. Be patient, guys. We will be rewarded in the bull market. If you're around buying in this accumulation zone between 5.5 cents and 10 cents, you're going to be rewarded when we move to $1 to $2 come the next bull market, especially the way that things are going, where crypto is becoming such a big political talking point. I'm very, very eager to see how the stars align with these 2024 presidential election in the United States, regulation, the overall regulation with crypto, and basically the world is being pressed and pressed more and more, and it's becoming just a huge political talking point. And on top of that, we're having the Federal Reserve raising rates. The banks are feeling significant pressure. I think that all these fundamentals, the fundamentals of crypto being a safe haven asset, especially Bitcoin, and all this economic turmoil is going to create a perfect storm leading into the Bitcoin halving after 2024, after we have our Bitcoin halving. I think that there's going to be fireworks, guys. I really do. But long story short, I do think that Crowcoin has a significant chance to be right up there with Binance, and I'm eager to see it. Let me know in the comment section below if you think I'm crazy, but I think that I'm starting to see that, and I've kind of known that for a long time, especially with these crazy marketing deals, but they've survived so much FUD, and the fact that they did and they're coming out stronger on the other side, I know that we're going to be rewarded for it. But let's take a quick look at Bitcoin, because right now we are trading below the key level of 28,200, and right now we are trading below it. And, in my opinion, if we stay in this channel for too long, I do think that if we start having weekly candle closes, I should say, I do think that we're going to be moving down to the $25,300 price level. So, guys, be prepared for that. However, there is possibilities of invalidations, but we would have to come above 28,200, get some weekly candle closes there very, very quickly, in my opinion. Otherwise, I think that we have a little bit more time to the downside. And honestly, my midterm outlook here is I really think that the next 6 months we're probably going to be trading sideways into the downside between 20,000 and 30,000, kind of in the channel where we are right now. So be prepared for that. Guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. We're giving away that $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. There's going to be more giveaways to come. Super excited. Crypto Kip and I love building this with you guys. It's so fun building this community, talking with you. Also, check out the description box below. We have some great referral links. $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet, $4,500 sign-up bonus with Phemex, a $600 sign-up bonus with Binance, and also we do have a membership program. If you want to become a member, all you got to do is go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our custom emojis, our private Discord where we have trade signals, NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. But guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.